Samsung is working on OneUI 8 so that it can release this next update on time, unlike the current OneUI 7 update. As confirmed by Samsung, the OneUI 8 rollout will begin this summer. As with every new OneUI upgrade, some devices will be excluded from OneUI 8 compatibility. Since Samsung hasn't officially released an eligibility list, we'll rely on the official update policy to check which Galaxy phones won't get the OneUI 8 update. From the S series, the Galaxy S21, the S21 Plus and S21 Ultra will lose OneUI 8 support. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 will also be excluded from this list. In AE series, the Galaxy A14, A14 4G, A05 and A05s won't get the next major upgrade. In F and M series, the Galaxy F14, the Galaxy M14 5G and 4G will not be included in the list as well. Speaking of tablets, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, the Galaxy Tab A7 2022 and Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro are also not eligible for this update. However, some of these models will continue to receive security updates on a regular basis. If I've missed any devices that should be included on the list, please let us know in the comments. Subscribe to 𝗀𝗏𝗍 for more such update news.